would you rather carry Hills back to the Leaf day in and day out?
If it means staying away from the humans who hate us, yes!
Hey, we are outside. We're not invading their world, they're invading ours.
Yeah, we have every right to this feast.
It's not about rights. It's about who's bigger and who's stronger.
I can carry 20 times my own weight. I'd like to see that pigtail pipsqueak try to do that.
Elmo!